Hello, Sunnyside Inn. May I help you? Yeah, I'd like to reserve a room for two on the 21st of March. Okay, let me check our computer here for a moment. The 21st of May, right? No, March, not May. Oh, sorry. Let me see here. As you all booked the night. Well, we have one suite available, complete with a kitchenette and a sauna bath. And the view of the city is great too. How much is that? It's only $200 plus a 10% room tax. Oh, that's a little too expensive for me. Do you have a cheaper room available either on the 20th or the 22nd? Well, would you like a smoking or a non-smoking room? Not smoking, please. Okay, we do have a few rooms available on the 20th. We're full of the 22nd, unless you want a smoking room. Well, how much is the non-smoking room on the 20th? $80 plus the 10% room tax. Okay, that will be fine. Alright. Could I have your name, please? Yeah, Bob Masner. How do you spell your last name? Mr. Masner? Maeaner. Okay, Mr. Masner. We look forward to seeing you on March 20th. Okay, goodbye.